Number 5. Drake's Air Jordan 12 OVO, $100,000. This wasn't a handout, but a leg up. When Drake went to watch the Toronto Raptors, he changed one fan's life. He was sporting a pair of his customized Air Jordan 12 OVOs to watch the game. In the store, they would retail for just over $200, but obviously these haven't been on Drake's very own feet at that price. He gifted his footwear to one lucky fan, who put them up for auction on eBay and raked in $100,000 for the shoes. Number 4. Michael Jordan's Flu Game Shoes, $104,765. When Chicago played Utah in the NBA Final in 1997, Michael Jordan was seriously under the weather. He had a 103-degree fever and the flu, but despite his condition, he managed to post 38 points on the board and secure a victory. The game became famously known as the Flu Game. Afterwards, Jordan left his autographed game shoes to a Utah boy named Preston Truman. Over the season, he had gotten to know the kid who had made sure Jordan always had a supply of graham crackers and applesauce on hand at games. Truman locked the shoes in a bank safety deposit box, but in December 2013, he finally decided the shoes needed to be in the public domain and put them up for auction. He sold them for a whopping $104,765. At the time, the sale broke the record for the highest price paid for a pair of game-worn shoes in any sport. Number 3. Michael Jordan's Converse Fast Break, $190,373. The third and final shoes from Michael Jordan's closet on our list is a pair of Converse. Ironically, netting more than Jordan's own shoe collaborations with Nike is a pair of Converse Fast Break worn by the NBA star. These sneakers go back long before the Air Jordans. This pair of Converse was worn by Michael Jordan at the 1984 Olympic Games. The games were in the USA that year, and during the finals, Michael Jordan and Team USA won, making them Olympic-winning shoes. These shoes are now worth an astronomical $190,373, as seen at the last sale on auction in 2017. Number 2. Nike Moon Shoe, $437,500. These shoes were designed by Nike co-founder Bill Bowerman for the 1972 Olympic trials. He produced the first prototype of the sole in his wife's waffle maker by pouring rubber into the cast iron mold as an experiment. It was a game changer in terms of traction and led the way for modern shoes. These iconic shoes were put on auction in June of 2019 and fetched $437,500 from collector Miles Nadal. Of the 12 pairs ever created, these are the only ones that were not worn and remain intact. The shoes will now be displayed at his private museum in Toronto, the Dare to Dream Automobile Museum, with 99 other collectible shoes he bought at auction. Number 1. Solid Gold OVO Air Jordans, $2 million. Topping the list today is Drake with a pair of solid gold collaboration between Air Jordan and Drake's brand October Very Own. The 24-karat gold sneakers probably won't be worn on stage by Drake, but they are definitely a showstopper. No official value was ever released for the shoes by their makers, but based on their rarity and the price of gold, they're estimated to be worth about $2 million.